Hello. In this example, we are at find the value of a function, a quadratic function you see right here at 6, and also find the values of x for which f of x is equal to 26. Let's start with the top part first, and let's figure out when what is the value of the function when x is equal to 6. That simply requires a very simple substitution. So f of 6 will equal to replacing these x values in red with the value of 6. So we have 6 to the second power plus 7 times 6 minus 18. So this is going to end up equaling to 36. 6 to the second power is 36. 7 times 6, that's a total of 42, and then minus 18. So adding these numbers together and subtracting 18, 36 plus 42, that's going to be a total of 78 minus 18. That's a total of 60. So there's the value of f of 6. Now the second part of this question asks us to identify and find the values of x that satisfy the equation that f of x is equal to 26. To solve this equation, we're going to get our function f of x, which is our x squared plus 7x minus 18, and we're going to set it equal to the value of 26. So to solve this equation here, we're going to start, since it's a quadratic equation, the technique here is to have the right side of the equation equal to 0. So we're going to move the 26 to this side. And moving it to the other side is going to make it negative 26. So we'll subtract 26 from both sides. And x squared plus 7x minus 44 equals to 0. Now, because this is a quadratic equation with all three terms, we're going to solve this equation by breaking it up into its linear factors. So we have x and x. 7 is positive, and a positive times negative is negative, so we need this number to be negative. So recall that the technique here requires us to identify the factors of this 44 that can give us 7. So here I have the factors of 44 right here in green, and of these sets, the one that I'm going to use is going to be the last set right here of 11 and 4. And the reason I'm using that one was by trial and error. I found that when I use an 11 and a 4, the positive 11 plus the negative 4 adds up to a positive 7, which matches up to this term right there. So all we do now is by the zero product property. This means that x plus 11, let me do it in black, x plus 11 is equal to 0, or x minus 4 is equal to 0. So your solutions are negative 11 or positive 4. So these are your two solutions here. So this is how you evaluate this quadratic function and how you find the values of x. Here there were two values of x that satisfy the condition that f of x has to equal to 26.